Welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. Here is a quick tip on how to properly fix a yoke to a bustier dress. Alright, so you already have your yoke cut out and you have your bustier already. So this is how you're gonna place the yoke. You make sure the center point aligns. Thereafter, you place your lining. You must have joined your lining the same way you join your bustier. All right, so after that is done, make sure you bring the center point together, and what you're just going to do is pin down your needle at the center point. Make sure your needle is pinned down at the center point. Then you're going to bring your yoke, you turn it. You're going to turn it to make sure it fits perfectly on your already sewn padded dress. And then you're also going to take your lining. So we are sewing from the center point. We're sewing from the center point to one side of the dress. From the center point to one side of the dress. That's what we are doing. Once you're done with that, you're also going to take it back to that point where we started. That's the center point. Make sure your needle pierces that center point. So you hold down, you pin down your needle, you stand your needle, whichever way you can understand it. And then you're going to also make sure that you move your fabric, that's the yoke and the lining. Make sure you turn it, make sure it is turned. You check it and you see that it's not like you are holding down any fabric whatsoever, so that you can also run from the center point to the other end of your dress. You're going to run it the same way we did the other side. So you run it all to the other end. So for more of my tutorials, you can see that on my YouTube channel at Kharis Kreations. That's the name of my YouTube channel, Kharis Kreations. Make sure you click the subscribe button. You also turn on your notification bell to receive more videos. All right, so once you're done sewing, you're going to notch starting from the center, that very center. Make sure you do not cut across your seam lines. Make sure you don't cut across. So you first need to check, can you see the outcome? You need to first check and be sure that it is perfect. Then you're going to top stitch on the lining. Yes, the reason for this is just to control it. Automatically controls whatever you have sewn. It controls it in such a way that your lining is not popping up. Now while top stitching, make sure you spread it out while you're top stitching. All right, so once that has been done, you can then iron it out, and that's the end of the video. As you can see, now that we are done, here's the outcome of it. For more of my tutorials, kindly check at Kharis Kreations on YouTube. Till I see you next class. Bye.